In Sweden, we call it forest gold, and it's the heart and soul of this velvety and creamy soup. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing, creamy chanterelle soup. Let us begin by prepping a few ingredients, and then let's get to cooking. We're going to start by finely dicing 1 sweet onion. Next, we want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add the onions and sweat them for a couple of minutes. And we also want to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Keep sweating this for another couple of minutes. Then we're going to add about 2 pounds of parboiled chanterelles, or 3.5 pounds if you're using fresh. We want to cook the mushrooms until they're snapping and all the liquid are cooked out from the pan. We want to add about 3 tablespoons more of butter and keep cooking. We want to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. Then we're going to deglaze this with about a cup of sherry. We want to reduce the sherry until it's almost gone. And then we're going to add 4 cups of mushroom broth. We also want to add a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme. Next is optional. I like to add 3 tablespoons of mushroom garum from Noma Projects. Now we want to simmer this for 45 minutes to an hour until the broth is reduced by half. We're going to place the chanterelle soup in a mixer. Then we want to mix on high speed until you reach a smooth texture. We're going to pour the mushroom soup back into the pan again. Now we want to add 3 to 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we also want to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of good soy sauce. Last but not least, we want to season it with salt to taste. And then we're going to ladle this into our serving bowls. The last thing you want to do is garnish with a little bit of chives. And then this delicious chanterelle soup is ready to serve. And that is how I make my creamy chanterelle soup. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And man, it smells amazing. So here we go. Creamy, rich, packed with chanterelle flavors. This is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. Yep.